Hi guys, it's January 3rd. It's a special day because it's Cody's birthday. And I just got to his house because he's going to open his gift and then we're off to our adventure. But I wanted to vlog his gift because it's a really cute gift. It took me a while, by the way. So we'll wait to see when he's done reading the card. It's also our 5 years and 6 months month-iversary. So yeah, and I'm sweating in this. It's too hot. Oh, you guys get to meet Jasper. Jasper. Oh, he's opening it. Wait, I need to go on the other side.
Go get her, Jasper. Alright, Jasper.
Jasper's like, what's happening? The rest of the balloons have to come up.
Oh, you put our picture on it. That's cute. I like that.
Hence, I did it blue and red because of Spider-Man for you. And it has the happy birthday comic balloon.
It has the happy birthday what?
It's like a comic. No, the balloon. The middle one.
Oh. Oh, the balloon. Oh, I
yes.
didn't notice that. What is it? What, Jasper? What? Damn! Hey! Oh, I'm so hyped to wear that. I'm gonna wear this on Saturday. I have interviews to do.
There's one more in there.
There's one more?
Yeah.
Well, kiss me now.
It blends in with the tissue paper, that's why. This is how the inside of the box looks. Oh, that's the paper that he opened.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
You would wrap it in camouflage.
Told you guys. See, this doesn't look like it's that complicated to make, but I don't know.
Look at this. This is nice.
We're gonna do the Warner Bros. Studio tour and it's at 1:30 and it's currently 12:10, so we have to hurry and leave now. But I just really wanted him to open his gift now before the balloons popped or something. That's why I needed him to open it now. But okay, we're gonna go and we'll vlog once we get there. Okay, see you guys, bye!
Bye! Hi guys!
This is Cody's first attempt at vlogging and he's nervous. Because I'm driving, because I said I'll drive because it's your birthday.
This is hard. How do girls do this? How do vloggers do this?
There's
Not just girls, but how do vloggers do this? My arm's already tired.
Work out your arms, bro. I think my right arm has more strength than my left for being like this.
Yeah, my arm's already tired. It's crazy. So she wants to try to do a karaoke, and it's bad.
It's because we've never sang in front of the camera before. We're just in front of each other.
And of course, we're Bruno Mars fans, so it has to be a Bruno Mars song. Oof.
It's not 24
Bruno!
Oh, but it's from the 24 karat now. Put it higher so they don't hear your voices.
Side to side. She got her own money, oh yeah. Shout out to the girls that pay they rent on time. If you ain't in a party, take your ass back home. If you getting naughty, baby, here's my phone. Slide with your boy to the bar, slide with your boy to the car. I've been searching everywhere and now here you are. Ooh, chunky. Looking for them girls with the big old hoops that drop it down in Daisy Dukes. wanna get down. Yeah, the ones I'm trying to recruit. I'm looking at you, yeah, you, baby. Now let me hear you say ready. I'm ready. Oh yeah. Girl, you better have your hair strapped on tight. Cause once we get going with you, yeah, you, baby. Oh, I don't know.
We've been so into this, I don't know if we passed our exit.
We might have missed our exit, guys.
We're inside, we're waiting to board the tram.
Trolley, whatever it is. It's something. It's gonna take us around the studio. It's gonna be boom.
Outfit is bomb. Just saying. Saw the Wonder Woman stuff. That's this dress she was wearing in the movie. Alright, we have entered the Harry Potter Museum. To shout out Sin right here because she's still waiting for her Hogwarts letter. Guys, my favorite. Hey, shout out my brother. He likes Sirius Black. As you post it, I was gonna show them what you wrote on your Snapchat. He took a picture of Dobie and put R.I.P.
Your prices can be, but your intelligence is my game.
These are all the Tom Riddle's costume. It goes from young Tom Riddle to teenage Tom Riddle to Lord Voldemort.
My Harry Potter.
I love. Oh, Cody, look, your favorite. Your favorite creature. It's Cody's favorite creature.
That's my favorite.
This one, your favorite creature in the world. You want a picture with the spider? Cody hates spiders. Ew. I'm gonna zoom in just for this, but I'm grossed out. Ew, this is gross. Okay, so this is Cody's favorite movie. He betrayed Harry Potter.
Hey.
I'm fangirling right now to the max. guys, I'm about to get sorted into a house. Cody, you gonna record me?
Of course.
Okay, we're gonna get sorted.
And then it's my turn.
I would be like in the movie when he's like, Gryffindor, Gryffindor, Gryffindor. Okay, I'll pass it over to Cody. Can you take a picture with your phone too?
Sure.
Please.
Go. Stand there. Multitasking right here.
That will upgrade the strong